everyone, welcome back to my channel Childcare and Pregnancy. In today's video I'm gonna review a baby product. The product is a baby diaper. So I'm gonna reviewing a particular diaper brand which is Supples right here. So my baby size is extra large, which is 12 to 17 kg. Okay, so I bought this diaper from Amazon. I am reviewing this diaper only because I find it really good. The quality is so good, guys, and it is very soft. The price range is so affordable compared to other diapers. So I thought, why not to review this one, because I was looking for a affordable option and luckily I find this one. So it's been 10 days since I'm using this product. Once I put the diaper on my baby, so it remains there for 5 to 6 hours. I have not faced any leakage problem till from the time I've started using it. So I thought, why not to review it, and why not to give my honest opinion what I think about this brand. So if you guys are looking for a affordable option in baby diaper pants, in diaper pants, then you can go for this brand, which is Supples. It says it's a premium pant and a 12-hour absorption. It has a zigzag channel top layer. It is not 12-hour protection, guys, because see, all diapers says that they claim that it is a 12-hour protection diaper, but usually after 5 to 6 hours you should definitely change your baby's diaper once, because it's not good enough. The hygiene, you need to take care of the hygiene, guys, because baby tend to pee a lot. So yeah, so you need to change after 5 to 6 hours. So during night time at least you need 2 diapers, guys, and this diaper does its job really good and I am finding it really helpful for me, and I'm gonna buy this again and again if it is there in stock. So guys, I bought this diaper for 585 rupees, but it retails for 949 rupees. It is printed on its cover, which is a affordable option, because total number of pants is 54 and it is XL in size. So other brands usually it cost around 700 to 800, which is available on Amazon. I don't think Flipkart is having it, because I tried to cross check and I didn't find it there. So you can go to Amazon and shop for your baby if you want it. I'll put the link in the description box, guys, so that you can easily find it. So the diaper looks like this. This is the back portion. It is printed here back. This is the front part. So it gives you enough space. You can see it has really good non-leaking properties and it holds the pee like anything, because after 5 to 6 hours also it doesn't leak, but to my sense I usually try to change it after 5 hours, and yeah, I need usually for whole night I use 2 diaper minimum for my baby. So it comes in all size variant, guys, small, medium, large and extra large, which is 12 to 17 kg babies. So my baby is of 2.2-year-old, so I bought extra large diaper for him. The size of the diaper is also really big, guys. It is not like your baby will feel uncomfortable. The diaper size is really good, guys, so you can definitely go for it, and it is really soft, guys. You can see. Yeah, my baby is also saying yes, it is good. Yeah, you feel comfortable in wearing it, right? So yeah, guys, this was my review for I'm using this diaper. I'm using it for first time. I checked the reviews were very good, so I thought to give it a try. I was really scared before. If at all it doesn't fit my baby, then what I'll do. But yeah, once you open the packet, you can't return it, right? So you have to use the whole entire packet. But luckily, it is really good diaper, guys. You should definitely give it a shot. So guys, one thing I don't like about this is the Amazon people just gave the diaper like this. They pasted the receipt on the diaper itself and they delivered it to me, which I don't like it, and it is very disappointing, guys. COVID-19 is spreading so badly, and I guess these people are not taking care of the hygiene, which they should. At least they should wrap the diaper, and it is a baby product. You should take necessary measures while delivering the product to your customer. So yeah, it is very disappointing, guys, that they are delivering it just like that. So I had to sanitize it properly and then I'm using it. If you are willing to order this one, you can order it, but I told you that they are not wrapping it and they are delivering it just like that, which I was not aware of. I thought before I had ordered from Flipkart and firstcry.com. They wrap the diapers and then they deliver. So I was expecting the same from amazon.com, but unfortunately I received the diapers with no cover. So yeah, guys, this was one thing which I wanted to mention. Otherwise, you can go for it. You can sanitize it properly from outside and leave it for 12 hours, and then you can use it. So yeah, this was my review for Supple's premium pants. I hope you liked the video, and if you like it, then do press on the like button, guys, and also subscribe to my channel Childcare and Pregnancy in case if you haven't already. And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Pallavi and my baby is 2.2-year-old baby boy. So I share my experience of child caring, parenting and pregnancy on this channel. If you also have a baby, then my channel will be really helpful for you. So kindly subscribe to my channel, guys. Also do comment down below what do you think about this diaper, and if you have used it before or not. You can definitely comment down the video what do you think about this diaper. This was it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep loving. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.